I wanted to stitch on a little jacket. So what I ended up grabbing was the stick and stitch. And I ended up using a little hoop to start experimenting with stitching using this as a stabilizer. And the really cool thing too is that there's little tiny dots that you can use to guide your stitches so that they're consistent. Here, I played around with creating a little flower using cross stitch and some wonky stitches. And here, I used cross stitches to make a fun shape. Now, this project isn't finished yet, but the stick and stitch will wash out and I will have a custom embroidered little jacket that you just can't get at a store. So just remember that you can personalize really anything with counted cross stitch. It is versatile. And again, the only rule is to have fun. Okay, there's another rule, and that is to line up your stitches so that you're stitching all one way.